Hi, it's Pierce Landis from My Guys Marketing here, and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of our super easy to use, self-serve, do-it-yourself graphic design dashboard. So what you're going to want to do is after you sign up for one of our services, you can do that here on our website. It's on many of the pages. You can come right down here. You can choose either the unlimited plan for $199 a month or the dedicated plan for $699 a month. Just so you have a general idea, the main difference between the two is with the $649 plan, you will have a dedicated designer that will be doing things specifically for you in rapid real time. And with the $199 a plan month, while it's unlimited, you're not going to necessarily have your own designer that's only working on your stuff. It can only really do one task at a time or one project at a time. So that's basically the difference, and you can read through the fine print on what else it is. But once you're signed up, the dashboard is going to be the same for both packages. It's just we on the back end take care of how it functions. So you're going to come over here, going to sign in with the email address and password. And then you're going to come back over here, and this is your back end of your dashboard. So first off, just show you a few quick things here. One neat thing we have here is called brand profiles. Now that means if you're doing projects for a couple different brands, you can go ahead and click in here and you can put in your logos, you can put in your colors, you can put in some files that are relevant to a brand. So if you wanted to make a new brand profile, you just come in here, you give it a name, you put the website of the brand, you could put the colors, the specific fonts, a description, and then you can put the brand logo, some marketing material, additional images, whatever it is. And then the reason this is really a neat thing is because when you're working with our designers, you can select a brand profile, and they'll know the logos, they'll know the colors, they'll know the fonts. It'll all be there saved already. So that's basically how you do a brand profile. As far as a project goes, you're going to want to come over here and you're going to want to create a new project. And you're going to enter a name for your project. So we'll call this the test project. Okay, you're going to want to choose what category it's in. Is this going to be for social media? Is it going to be artwork? Is it going to be for web and app, advertising? Many choices here. And within each choice, there's sub-choices. So in artwork, is it going to be a vector? Is it going to be patterns? What is tattoos? What exactly are we doing here for you? If we're doing something in social media, is it going to be for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever it is? So you make your choice here. Many choices, and again, this is all just to give our designers a general idea as to what they're working on. Don't worry if with all these options here, none of them really fit what you're looking for. You can always choose other and go from there, and also just do something completely custom. We have the option of custom in here somewhere too. That is, you just put in specifically whatever it is you're looking for, and we don't, we follow your lead. That's how we work. So let's pretend like we're making a flyer over here. We're gonna just call it a flyer and select that, and we're gonna go on to the next part, brand profile. Again, you can check one of these different brand profiles you've put up there before. You put the dimensions you want. You select either a color preference, or you let our designer choose for you. Say what files you want. Go into the next step, and here's where you just start putting the details. First, you would put in your design, different design options, and if what we're designing for you needs text, you just put that on yes and put in whatever text you want over here. So, and then just keep on. And then over here, you put, is there anything else you'd like to tell us? Is there anything else you'd like to tell us? No. And, go on to the next step. And this is if you need to upload anything that's not already in your brand profile, you can do it over here. And if you want to choose from our stock images, you can come over here. You can search our different stock images. Let's say, I don't know, I want to do something of a cow. So you come over here and you get all these different options of cows that you can choose from to put into your project. You can choose as many of those as you want, and then you're able to look at the summary, and then you hit submit, and it's that easy. Now, let's say you realize, oh, I forgot to put some details, I forgot to upload a file, I forgot to do whatever. Don't worry, you can always come over here. First of all, you can always click on your projects, and you can see projects past, present, and future, because you have drafts over here, you have completed over here, you have canceled, you have on hold. And the way you change those, by the way, is you come over here and you would come into edit, and this just brings you right back here. And you can switch to you can switch any of those details you want. Just go through the same process you went through before. Really that simple. And let's say that you put this in here like me. I was just doing a dummy run for you guys, so I don't really want this anymore. So you can come up here, you can just cancel it, you can delete it, you can duplicate it if you want the same thing, and that's pretty much how you do. So just one more thing here is, if you have the 199 plan, you're only going to have one project in progress at a time. The other one will be in queue. And you can queue as many things as you want, but they're going to be in queue until the project before is done. But let's say I have something here, and then something here, and something here. Well, at that point, I can start to change the priority of them to show which one will come first or next in the queue. And it's really that simple. And I hope that you'll find this helpful. And if you're not signed up already, I hope you'll sign up at mygraphicguys.com. And we look forward to helping you out. Reach out to us and let us know what we can do for you. And in the meantime, be sure to make it a marketable day. Thank you very much.